Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Umniati Arsya. You can call me Uum. My student ID is 21129318. Okay. Now I will reading the article. The title is the relationship between the ability of understanding mathematical concept with language ability during contextual learning. Author is Salmaini, Ahmad Fauzan, Emade Arnawa, Darmansyah, and Wahyu Widada. The line abstract. Increasing the ability of the left brain can have a positive effect on the understanding of mathematical concept. The purpose was to test whether there was a positive direct effect on the student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang or Pariaman Tabuik culture on their ability to understand mathematical concept. It was survey research. The sample was selected simple random as many as 100 people from 389 students of senior high school 3 Padang, Indonesia. The sample has attended lecture through contextual learning based on Padang Tabuik culture for 8 weeks. The research instrument was a test of language skills and the understanding of mathematical concepts. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structured equation model. It's analyzed using a literal application program. The conclusion of this study is that student language skill through the contextual learning based on Padang Tabuik culture have a positive direct effect on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. One-line introduction. The concept of mathematics were a difficult learning object for students, even though the concept is a mathematical object that cannot be avoided by students. One of the reasons is the abstract mathematical object. The concept of mathematics is abstract. It's very possible for him to have misconception. Student learning mathematical concept need relational understanding so that it can lead the misunderstandings and difficulty learning to overcome student mistake and the misconception in learning mathematics is through learning that is close to student minds. Student can do mathematics process horizontally. Such learning will improve student thought process such that it becomes a meaningful learning that is close to daily life of student in one of the starting point for learning mathematics. Something that becomes of habit and student in local culture, one of them in local music. Something that becomes a habit of student is local culture. One of them is local music. This can increase mathematical ability such as the ability to represent mathematics. Concept understanding ability, problem solving skill. This learning can also minimize student mistake in the understanding mathematics. The music is one of Pariaman culture. Music contribute to the children's cognitive development. Music help active the child motor nerve cell, like the music that accompany regional dance. Kajai dance become the starting point one student in understanding geometry. Through this music, students have geometric skills. Students identify and classify them in geometric structure. They are able to use model and symbol to represent the concept of geometric shape. Mathematics and music are interconnected. Mathematical concept and relate basic music include set, equivalent relation, function, and the graphic integers, rational numbers, real numbers, not chord, not musical interval, scales, and case sign. This will increase one musical intelligence. It was include sensitivity to rhythm, melody, and tonal colors of the music being enjoyed. Pariaman children are very familiar with tabligh culture. This is held every year in the month of Muharram. The tabligh ceremony has several ritual parts. This always influences Pariaman regional music, which is often referred to as dol music. In the tabligh tradition, the dol is a traditional drum which originated from Padang Province, Indonesia. The dol is played by trained men. The tabligh ceremony commemorates the death of Hassan and Hussein, the grandchildren of the Prophet Muhammad. This contextual problem that can be used of this is a contextual problem that can be used. Ini adalah masalah kontekstual yang dapat dijadikan titik pangkal pembelajaran matematika. Pendekatan kontekstual merupakan pendekatan yang melibatkan siswa yang aktif dalam proses pembelajaran. Itu adalah untuk menemukan kembali kesadaran pengetahuan sebelum pengalaman siswa. This is contextual problem that can be used as starting point for learning mathematics. The contextual approach that involves students who are active in the learning process. It is to discover or rediscover concepts based on student previous knowledge and experience. Language ability through musical chanting can affect the understanding of mathematical concept. Understanding this concept is a mathematical problem by emphasizing mathematical object. Mathematical objects include fact, concept, principle, and operation. Concept understanding in this paper is more focused on the ability to understand concept. The ability to understand concept is a cognitive ability that includes restating of definition of a concept, classification object into a concept, providing example and not example of a concept, representing concept into several forms, developing necessary and the sufficient condition, using certain operation, and applying the concept in the problem solving. Understanding of mathematical concept can be achieved better if a student learning in a realistic manner. In this one of the elements in understanding mathematical concept. To improve the understanding of mathematical concept, learning is needed that support understanding concept, namely learning to develop the ability to gather information, analyze information, and make generalization by applying the process of connection, representation, communications, reasoning, and problem solving. The ability to understand mathematically can be achieved completely if students learn through the ethnomathematic approach. Therefore, the language skills they are practiced through the art of dol music as local culture allow for an increase in mathematical understanding. It shows the existence of conceptual diagram as the relationship between language skill, the understanding of math concept. Language skills that are sung in the music give a person of sense relaxation. This affects ability to think academy. Thus, language skills mediated by music have an influence on mathematical thinking skill. Therefore, the formulation of the problem of this research is whether the student language skills through contextual learning based on Padang Tabui culture have a positive direct effect on the understanding of mathematical concept. Line 2 method. The research is a study with survey approach. This research is designed to test the relationship between language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman, Tabui culture, and the understanding of math concept. The population is all students of senior high school 3 Padang, Indonesia. The number of available population is 389 students. The sample of this research was 100 people. The selection was made through simple random sampling technique. There are two talent variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. The understanding of math concept in this study is specifically about the understanding of mathematical concept. Research were carried when the annual Padang Tabui culture activity was underway. Therefore, the entry population reached in the study has followed this learning model. The research instrument was a language proficiency questionnaire and a test of the understanding of mathematical concept. Data were analyzed using structural equation modeling. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structural equation model. It is analysis using a literal application program. Line 3 result and discussion. The data from this test is understanding of math concept or pemahama and language skill berbahas as a talent variable. Each variable indicator is listening X1, speaking X2, reading X3, and writing X4 for talent language ability variable. The indicator is X1 restate the notion of a concept, X2 classification object according to certain concept, X3 provide example and not example of a concept, X5 present concept is various from and of representation, X5 arrange necessary and sufficient condition of a concept, X6 selects an operation, and X7 applies the concept to the problem solving. By using the literal 8.8 application program, the data were analyzed and present in the table 1. Table 1 is Gardner's of phi or GOV, static minimum fit function chi-square. Conclusion result is 1.35 or P 0.03, and the description is low. RMSEA, the conclusion result 0.0001, description good. Statistic RMR, description good. Statistic standardized RMR, description good. Statistic GVI and IGVI, description is good. Statistic NFI, NNFI, CVI, IVI, RVI, PNVI, description good. Based on table 1 is found that all statistical tests meet the fit or good criteria. It is a theoretical model that fits empirical data. The analysis results show that there are 11 GOV measures that show good compatibility, and only one is not good. The conclusion of this analysis is that the overall model meets the good category. Furthermore, a diagram of the basic model standard solution can be present. It can be seen in Figure 1. The data analysis also present the basic model t-value path diagram. For more details, please look at Figure 2. Figure 2 and Figure 3 are path diagrams. They present the validity and reliability of two talent variables, namely the ability to speak language and understanding mathematics. And on Table 2, validity and reliability of the ability to speak language indicator. Based on the Table 2, the language ability variable, which consistent of 4 indicator variable as show good validity. The table states that the loading factor value is more than 0.50 and the t value is more than 1.96. Also, the construct reliability is CR 0.76 over 0.17. The final results show that our reliability test of the talent variable of language ability is consistent. To explain the indicator variable for mathematical thinking skill or understanding mathematical concept, when see Table 3, the Table 3 show that the validity of the 7 observed variable. Table 3 shows that validity of the 7 observed 5 variables x5 until x11 on the understanding of mathematical concept. The 7 variable observed were valid. The 7 manifest variables are restatement of a concept. X5 classify object according to certain properties. According to the concept, X6 show example and the not example. X7 represents a concept is a various forms. X8 develop a condition which is a sufficient condition of a concept. X9 using utilizing and selecting specific products. X10 and apply the concept to algorithm for problem solving. X11 that is in accordance with the provision of the loading factor value of more than 0.50 and the t value of not less than 1.96. For the reliability, the CR value is 1.5 over 1.70, which show that the reliability test of the mathematical ability variable produce good scores. The conclusion is that understanding mathematical concept has good consistency. Based on the validity, the reliability test, and Figure 2 basic model t-values hypothesis can be tested about the direct effect of student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tauhid culture on the understanding of mathematical concept. The test show that T is 4.86 with p-value is 0.0. This means that there is a positive direct influence on student language skill through through contextual learning based on the Tabui Padang culture on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. The research of this study are in line with other studies. Musical ability has a positive direct effect on the native abstraction ability of a low-level elementary students. Ethnomathematics-based mathematics learning and a connects mathematics approach have a positive impact on student cognitive process. The student have the ability to understand multiplication and division operation, also about to communicate verbally in writing and the mathematical representation. It is based on a real media based on local culture. Thus, it is true that language skill through contextual learning based on the local culture have an effect on the understanding of math concept. And then fifth line is conclusion. We conclude that there is a positive direct effect of students' language skill through contextual or culture-based learning on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. This is supported by the validity and reliability of the indicator of the two variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concepts. Therefore, to improve mathematical thinking skill, educators must apply contextual learning based on the local culture. So, thank you for watching my video. Goodbye. See you.